Good morning, good evening, good day. It's Tracy back from Matley House. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fabulous. I hope you've all had a fabulous Christmas and I hope you're going to have a really nice new year. And I wish you guys all the best for 2025. So today we've got a collab. I had an issue with my microphone again. So I'd opened the box, but I got no sound. So I've now got to do it again. So that's why the box is open. But we got a collab with Fytoo. Now, I hadn't heard of these guys when they contacted me, but they said, would you like to do a collab? So I had to look them up, and I looked them up on the site, and I looked at a few other YouTubers to see what they thought of it, to make sure there was no bad comments about them, and I couldn't find any. So I said yes. So that's what we're going to look at today, some Fytoo glasses. So, like I said, I had issues with my microphone, and I'd started doing it without, and I'd opened the box. So, but let's go again. So this is the lovely box that got delivered to me. And inside, let's have a look. I'll show you one at a time. We get this little packet. This looks interesting. What's this? Let's open it up. And there's two of these. Oh, it's like a little key ring. What is that? Oh, how cute! Is it a little screwdriver? You can see? So if your glasses come loose or something on the frames, you can tighten it up. Nice. So it's got two, I think. Yep, it's got two. So you've got little Phillips and a little flathead. Nice. Well, that's cute. So that's in the packet. And this looks like a glasses wipe. Oh, it's huge. Oh, it feels nice. It's nice and thick. Glasses wipe. That's like 3 times the size that I get at my opticians. That's nice. Oh, it feels good. Yep, that's good. And that's what comes in that little packet. And there's 2 sets of them. So you've got 2 wipes and 2 little key rings. Nice. What else? What else we got here? Oh, we got a coupon for next one. So we've got money off with this coupon. Nice. Ah, what's that? Oh, yeah, they get you to do a PD value. I mean, I don't know in other countries if you do PD values, but I didn't know about them in the UK. But basically, this can be used as the test. You could download and print out one that you can use. But it shows you the value of where the middle of your eyeball is on each eye. And that's called a PD value. It explains it all about it online, but they give you a little handy one for next time. That's handy. What's this? I think that's just an introduction to the company, etc. And the type of lenses they do. They do clear blue light blocking, photochromic, anti-blue light and photochromic, driving, polarized sunglasses, tinted sunglasses, polarized mirrored sunglasses, and color blind lenses. Sorry, I've got a head cold still. Had it all over the Christmas, and I'm trying to not let it interfere, but it does a little bit. So that's a little intro into the company. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 glasses in here. And what is that at the bottom? Let's move the box. And this is the the receipt, which I won't show you my receipt, but that's the little receipt at the bottom. So I've got 4 glasses here to try. Now, I wasn't sure which ones to try because I've had these forever and a day, and I've never really ventured into others. But hey, I picked out 4 and we'll see. They could be bad, they could be good, who knows. So, inside the first bag. Oh, these are the rainbow framed ones. I'm hoping I haven't ordered them all, too small or anything. Because obviously you can get the widths of the face and everything. So, I'm hoping. Oh, they feel good. It's got a bit of sticky protecting the lens. These are metal. Let's rip this sticky off. And these are the first pair. Let's try these ones on. Look at my eyes. My whole face is starting to peel. I've got so much cream on. Okay. What do you think of those? They're really round and big. They're quite wide on the face. They sit quite comfortably on the face. They're not, to be honest, I get a bit of blurring around the edge. Because obviously you guys know I'm blind in this eye, so this lens doesn't really matter to me. But, I'm not sure. Maybe I got the PD value wrong or something, but there's a definite blurring around the edge. So I'm not sure I'd be able to comfortably wear these, because they're actually making me feel a little bit seasick, which is a real shame because I love the frames. I love the rainbow effect and the gold frames, but they're not working for me. When I move my head, everything sort of under here blurs out. And I'm thinking either the prescription was wrong for the lenses or the PD value was wrong, because you have to do this PD test. So I might have to redo my PD value and with this and go again. But so we'll ignore the prescription at the moment. That I don't know if that's my fault or whether that's the company's fault. But I'll redo my PD value and come back to you on that. Anyway, the frames, super comfortable. Really like those. And they've got like a rainbow effect around the outside. They're really nice. They're kind of cute. They're nice. This pair is called Shelley. These ones. Oh, what a shame. I like them. It's got the rainbow down the sides as well. I liked them. What did you think of those ones? So that's the first pair. I won't bother putting my glasses back on for a minute. I'm really hoping that maybe I've done something wrong with the PD value, I'm thinking. Oh, you get another cloth inside the little glasses bag as well. Let's try the next pair. Oh, these are pretty. These are pink and purple ones, these are. I can't get them out of the packet. This is the next pair. This pair is called Cassandra that we're going to show you now. So let's take the lens cover off. See, these are pink and purple. Smaller on the face, but actually fit a little bit more comfortable. What do you think of these ones? But I've got the same. So obviously it's a prescription problem where I'm getting the seasick feeling when I move my head. So I've got this blurring around the edges. What a shame. But I'm liking Cassandra as well. What did you think of these frames? I'm going to definitely go again with the PD values. So these are plain gold on the sides and they're like a blue to pink, or is that purple to pink? It's kind of purple to pink, sort of gradient on the frames. They're really nice too. They're really nice too. What do you think of those? Yeah, I like them. They're Cassandra. Let's try the next pair. Oh, save them till last because they look like sunglasses. Or readers. Oh, what ones are these? What colour are these? Okay. These look like they're gold with like a black edge. Is that black or dark grey? And the frames are a lot thinner actually. The arms. Oh, look how thin the arms are. Really thin on this pair. And on the inside you can see the coloration a little bit more. See how it's like a darker colour on the inside. Let's try these. Oh, I'm not liking these. Same issue with the prescription, but the frame down the side here, it's really thin, which if you like that, look how thin they are. They're comfortable to wear, but I don't think with the black ring, I don't think they suit me. These feel a little bit like goggles. So that's Chico. But they've got super nice thin frame edges, arms. And then we got this pair. Sebastian, like the crab from Little Mermaid. Undo that. Oh, okay. Did not know that, did that? These are magnetic. So you've got plain glasses. And then you can clip on the front your lenses. I didn't know it did that. Let's try them on. What do you think of these? So you got like sunshades that you can I clip it off without taking them off my face? Sort of. Come off. No. Got how to get them off. So it's sort of down and magnet. I've never had a pair like that. Have you had a pair like that? Let's try them without. Again, the frame's nice thin wire, metal, big. And that's the clip on. Let's see if I can clip it on. Did it? Well, at least you can't see my red blurry eyes with these. But I've got the same issue with the prescription. The prescription is not quite right, which is a real shame. They're Sebastian, and I like them. They're comfortable too. What's your favourites? I really liked these purples to blue ones. Ugh, they're so good. And I really liked Shelley. The Shelley ones are nice as well with the rainbow. What was the name of these ones? Because these are my favourites. These are Cassandra, these ones. So Cassandra and Shelley are definitely my favourites. What ones are your favourites? Let me know. But I might go again and order a pair, just one pair this time, and redo the PD value to see if that works out better for me. And go again. But which pair should I choose? This is Shelley. This is Cassandra. I really like the pinky blue. This is Shelley. They fit comfortable too, you know. They're really comfy too. Both of those are comfy. I'm not absolutely loving these because I don't think they suit me. Ew. And the frame arms are a little bit thin, and because I'm a little bit clumsy, so I might damage those. They feel a bit like goggles to me, so they're a no-no. I really like these, the sunglasses with the clip-ons. They're nice. But I want a set of normal glasses, so it's either Shelley or Cassandra. Let's put Cassandra on because it's my favourite. My vote goes for Cassandra. What do you think? The Shelley's nice with the rainbow colours. Oh, I'm kind of gutted, funnily enough, that the prescription's just not quite right. Because I put these back on, yeah, I can see clearly all around, no problems at all, and I've got no seasicky feeling, sort of thing. But, how annoying! See, I don't know now if that's my fault. I don't know if it's because you have to give them a PD value and your prescription. Now, they must have followed the prescription right, so I think it's going to be this PD value that was wrong. Now, you have to download, you have to go to the site and you download a printable PDF file, print it out, fold the paper. And because I'm blind in one eye, it's kind of hard to get that value that they want, because this eye is not quite straight either. So I'm thinking that might be my issue. So I might have to go again and recheck my PD value. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'll reorder either Shelley or Cassandra, depending on what we pick, what's our favourite one out of the bunch. So that's Fytoo. Now, I can't 100% say, yay, they're fabulous, because obviously the prescription, the lenses hasn't worked out quite well for me. But like I say, it could be my fault. So I'm going to go again with the PD value and try it again. So I'll attach that to this video should that fix the issue. But we're going to have to leave it with the issue for now, because no matter what, I always give my honest opinion. And my honest opinion is I love the frames. I loved what I've picked out. There's 2 of those glasses there that I'd be super happy with if the prescription was correct on it. But it's not, and I can't quite see very well out of it. And I don't know whose fault that is. I don't know if that's Fytoo's fault or my PD value. And I'm thinking it could be my PD value because I'm blind in one eye. And maybe the value came out wrong. But I'm going to try again. So I will contact Fytoo again and go through the PD value again and see if that makes any difference. So I'll have a chat with them, and depending on what they tell me, I'll attach that in the description for you so you can see what that happens to that. And if there's a second video where I get another pair of glasses, I'll attach it so that you know exactly what happened to the end of the story, so to speak. But for now, that's Fytoo glasses. Love the frames. Absolutely love the frames. So, until next time, have a fabulous 2025. And I hope your new year is brilliant for you. And thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Until then, be good and look after yourself.